Today we will be talking about the project of 1164 at the Baltimore Streetcar Museum. (1164) is one of Baltimore Streetcar Museum most used cars in the collection. The car needed an emergency roof repair. With the museum being closed during the winter, this was a perfect time to do the 1164 project. The roof repair was the primary goal of the project. The car is not operational as the wire is on the canvas. This means we had to cut the wire off. Both of the end platform hoods needed to be removed also for restoration. This meant most of the upper hardware on the car had to come off the car. This included trolley pole hooks, master switch boxes, destination signs and lights for the destination signs, just to name a few. The canvas was removed. Then the stripping of the roof began. All tacks, nails and paint were removed. The 1970 acrylic windows and window frames were removed. The window frames will be painted and varnished before they are sent to have replacement glass like the one original piece of 1902 glass. That will remain in the car. There are other miscellaneous pieces, such as the roof footsteps, that are being cleaned prior to repainting and reinstallation. A new section of trolley board timber was cut and painted to replace a section that was deteriorated beyond restoration. The new canvas will be put on, worked on, locations repainted, and the car rewired. This is an ongoing project that could have other things pop up while working to getting the car running again. We plan to have the car finished by July 3rd, but with the project to-do list rapidly increasing, this date is looking closer and closer. There will be continuous updates on 1164 as it progresses closer to being operational. This is one of many projects I will be covering as I aim to bring the streetcar community closer together, keep you better updated on your favorite cars in the museum. For more updates on streetcar projects, hit that subscribe button. Like this video to support the team with 1164.